Saan ang problema?
Yung 6 is slightly
Covering the 4.
covering the 4 ball. Hindi pa safe to say ito. Okay. Mas maganda kung madikit nila sa may side rail na rin.
There it is. With force. 1, 2, 3.
Kung madikit nila, mas maganda sana.
Wow.
Parang kitang-kita.
Of course,
Kunanan
nagbigay sa kanya
now.
ng pangalan niya si Jericho Banyares din.
Setting up for the side.
Oh! Almost!
3 rails around to get to the 6.
Uy, naku,
Nako.
bumilis yung pamato.
7 balls slightly to the rest. Shouldn't be a problem here for Kunanan.
Second series pa lang
Oo,
niya kasi
yun
yung
na.
unang series wala siya eh. Okay, good.
Magkabila ang corner pocket.
Galve and Mauricio are sent back to the bench.